What's up there, Jeanette? You being shy?
Get Daddy. Not me, get her. Get her.
I want you both. No, don't tell her what to do. Do you do everything Monica tells you? So funny.
Yes. Yes.
Who's gonna be 2 next week? Who? You okay? You're not choking or anything, are you? Good.
It's not who you're talking to. Can't say even her name.
Do we get any good presents picked out for Jeanette yet, Monica?
Yes.
What are we gonna get her?
I have to whisper it. She won't know.
Oh, okay.